Good morning, children. Welcome to the online geography class. Today we will start from North America, page number 65. So, North America is the third largest continent in the world after Asia and Africa. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and Atlantic Ocean in the east. In the south, the Isthmus of Panama connects it to South America and it is separated from Asia by the Bering Strait. So, these are the information regarding North America, that it is the third largest continent and it is surrounded by several water bodies, and the Isthmus of Panama connects it with South America and it is separated from Asia by the Bering Strait. Now the location of North America. North America is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. Its latitudinal and longitudinal extent is 7 degree north and 83 degree north latitude, and it is a large part of the continent lies in the temperate zone. Now it lies entirely in the western hemisphere, and roughly the longitudes are 53 degree west and 180 degree west. Canada and USA together cover 75% of total area of North America. There are many big and small islands around the continent, and this is very important. Greenland, the biggest island in the world, is located to the northeast of North America. Now we will move on to page number 66, the political division. At present, North America has three large countries: Canada, the USA, and Mexico, and the smaller ones are in Central America. Besides, there are many islands in the Caribbean Sea which are now independent countries. These island countries are together known as West Indies. So, this information is very important. The island countries are together known as West Indies. Now in page number 67, we have several countries and their capitals. You have to learn this by heart. This may come in your exam. So these are the countries of North America. Now we will move on to the physical features. North America has high mountains, rugged or rough plateaus, broad plains, and the continent can be roughly divided into four physical divisions, namely Western Cordillera, Canadian Shield, Appalachian Mountain, Central Lowland. First one is Western Cordillera. This is located in the western part of North America, and these are extensive mountain system. Big mountains are this. These young-fold mountains run from or starts from Alaska in the north to Panama in the south. So this cordillera has roughly three parallel. We will move on to page 68. So this has three parallel ranges. The height of these mountain ranges varies between 2500 meters and 4000 meters above the mean sea level. First of all, the Rocky Mountain is located towards the east, and these make up the greater part of Western Cordillera. This is the highest mountain range in Cordillera. So this Rocky Mountain is the highest mountain range in the Cordillera. Other important mountain ranges which are located in Western Cordillera, you have to learn this thing: Alaska Range, Pacific Coast Range, Cascade Range, Sierra Nevada, and Sierra Madre. Denali, the highest peak of North America. Denali is the highest peak of North America and is located in the Western Cordillera in Alaska. Now, in between the parallel mountain ranges, there are few intermountain plateaus. So, from north to south, these are the Alaska Plateau, the Columbia Plateau, the Great Basin, the Colorado Plateau, and the Mexican Plateau. So, these are from north to south. Now, the Great Basin is the largest intermountain plateau in North America, the Great Basin. The Great Salt Lake is located in this basin. The Colorado River and its tributary have eroded the Colorado Plateau to form the Grand Canyon in the USA. Now, many extinct Volcanoes and active volcanoes are found in the mountain ranges, especially in Alaska and Mexico. These mountain ranges or these volcanic volcanoes are part of Pacific Ring of Fire. So numerous hot spring and geysers are also found in the western Cordilleras, and this Old Faithful geyser in the Yellowstone National Park in the USA is very famous. Now the Canadian Shield, second physical features. Canadian Shield, this is centered around the Hudson Bay, is located in the north and the northeastern part of North America. It occupies half the area of Canada. It is the oldest and the hardest rock in North America. To mark this line, the Canadian Shield is the oldest and the hardest rock in North America. It is generally 600 meters above the sea level. So, see, the picture of the Rocky Mountain has been given over here. It's a very big mountain. It's a Rocky Mountains. Now, this Niagara Falls, this picture is given. The Niagara Falls, the very famous fall.